Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to fix Vanguard error 157 in League of Legends. So first thing you want to do is right click on your Windows and then click on Task Manager. And then here, scroll down until you see the Riot or Riot Games. For example, wait, let me look for it. Oh, it's not running on my background. So for example, this is the Riot Games. Simply right click on it and click on Add Task. Now after that, what you need to do is search up for service and then hit on enter. Here simply search for VGC. Let's look for it. Yes, here, VGC. Right click on it, go to properties, and here set it to automatic, then hit on start. Wait for it to load up. Just wait for it. It could take a little while. And then there you go. Hit on apply, then OK. And then that's basically it. Simply open your League of Legends and it should work. And that's basically it.